Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope you are fine by the grace of Allah. I'm also fine today. So guys, what are you doing now at this time? I think you are doing something well. I'm also doing something well right now. You are watching. I'm just walking beside the phone right now, and on my head, oh, you don't see, you don't see on my head. There are so many mango, green mango, and green mango. There are so many green mango here. Green mango. What is this? This is a green mango. Green mango. It's not ripe. It's just green, green. And there are so many mango here. So many mango. Whoa! Awesome combination. So many mango here. Do you like to eat mango? I think you will like to eat mango because it's sour. And in the summer, you like to eat green mango. But ripe mango is so sweet. But right now you can't get ripe mango at this time because this is the first time right now, and it's a green mango, and after some days it will be ripe, then you can eat properly the mango. So today I want to say you, so you can plant this kind of trees if you have this kind of land beside the pond. You can plant this kind of trees, okay, mango trees, and it will be very good business. I will show you properly. There are so many mango here. So many mango, and I want to show you properly all the mango from here. I want to show you all the mango from here. And before some minutes ago, I have stolen some mango from here, and I have eaten, and I have taken some salt from my house. I have taken some salt from my house, and with bringing and salt, I have eaten, and I have enjoyed a lot. And I want to show you all things properly. My dear guys, what place I have come right now. There are so many mango, and it seems that I can't go from here. It seems that, but I gotta go because this is not my house. Just I have outed from my house in the afternoon, and I thought I can just walk for a while, and I can just enjoy for a while. I can travel for a while. That's why I have come here. But after coming here, I see so many mango trees. And that time I told my brother Rafiqul Islam, and he said that I said him, is there any mango trees here? Is there any mango trees here? After a long time journey, after a long time walking, just I said him, is there any mango trees here? I wanna eat mango. I wanna eat green mango. But he said that, don't worry, bro. Don't worry, bro. There are so many mango trees here. But after coming here, I can't see properly the mango trees, and that's why I told him, where is the mango trees? Where is the mango trees? Where is the mango? But finally, when I came in the middle of the land, that time I saw there are so many mango trees here. And finally, after coming here, we have rested for a while, and after resting for a while, we have eaten mango trees from mango. We have eaten mango from here, just a green mango, but we can't find ripe mango. Just a green mango we have eaten, and it seems that I will come tomorrow and I will eat again this kind of mango. I will eat tomorrow. Okay, and I want to show you my brother Rafiqul Islam, and he is just walking front of me, front of the camera, and he's another guy. He's my cousin, and one more time he's front of the camera at this time, and he's a very cool boy, and he works hard. He works a lot. He works hard, and he makes money a lot. And sometimes he helps me a lot. He's a very good guy, and I like him very much. But I want to say something about my brother because he has no mother right now, and he has no father right now because he's a very upset boy. But he's very happy. He's very upset. He's very happy because he can earn money, and he makes money a lot, and he enjoy a lot. And sometimes when I get free time, we come and we travel with him, and we enjoy a lot. So my dear guys, today what I will say you, we have enjoyed a lot, and we have eaten so many green mangoes from here. And after some days when it will be ripe, that time we will come again and we will eat mango again. Okay, so my dear guys, I will see you with the new video. Come here, come here, come here. We will end the video from here. I will see you with the new video and take care. Allah Hafiz. Allah Hafiz. Say bye.